Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is bmove, fmove and inverse commands in Delta PLC. This is a lecture number 28 and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. Today we will learn about three commands: bmove, fmove and inverse. These are advanced command of Delta PLC and mostly we use it in moving the data from one data register to other data register. So let's come on the lecture. This is first bmove. Bmove means B from block and move from move. This command is called block move. First question is block. What is block? Okay, and you can see the one table and this is the three data register D0 and D1 and D2. This is the one block of three data register, and D5, D6 and D7. It also block of three data register. Okay, so we can say block is contain number of data register. So you can see here is the one picture of, and this is the bmove command picture, and D0 is from and D5 2 and K3 is decided block contain data register. Like if I write K3 to say this block has only three data register. If I put K4, then it will be converted from D0, D1, D2 and D3. Okay, same D5, D6, D7 and D8. So is the changeable. You can change according your project, according your program logic. So I write K3, so I put three rows, 1, 2 and 3, and this is the first is from. Okay, data move from this data register to this data register, from this block to this block. Okay, D0, D5, data will move from D0 to D5 and D1 to D6 and D2 to D7. Okay, so this is a very simple command. And next one is our fmove. This command is also called file of move. F means a file and move means for a move, mov. So same you can see here is fmove, here is dmove. You can see bmove, and you is fmove. Okay, f means file. So same D0, D5 and K3, but in this case first D0 only. Okay, this D0 value shift to D5, this D0 value shift to D6 and this D0 value shift will be a D7. Okay, to have a block D5, D6, D7, but from it only one value data register. Okay, but in this case both are block, from and to both are block, D0, D1, D2, but in this case only from is all D0. Okay, if I put D1, then it will be D1, 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 and all the D1 value will be moved to D5, D6, D7. Okay, and same is number of files of data register in this block. I put K3, mean to say there are 3 D5, D6, D7. If I write K4, then it will be moved D8, D9, D10 according to this value. You can change according to your project. And last one is inverse and reverse every logic before it. If before it is 1, it will convert to 0. If logic before it 0, it will convert to 1. Okay, it's inverse of command. So let's come over Vehicle software. I will explain how to make it the project. Let's first you have to create a project, and this is the lecture number 28. And PLC ES2. Here I taking M 1000. Okay, and I will take move command, mov, and this is the k100 value I will take, and I will take d0. Okay, I will copy it. I copy it because I want to save my time in this video, and use vertical command for attaching. Okay, I also minimize, and you can see I take d0, 3 data register d1, and I will save it 1000 value, and again d2, and take d10 value. Okay, I take 3 data register d0, d1, d0. Now I take b value, sorry, b move, again 1000. No, take 10, you take any input x0. Okay, and now you take command b move, is a block move, and here is our first param d0 as 2. We can take like d6, and we want to move 3 data register, so I will put here 3. Okay, you can see here. Now I take one input, and again I copy it, just I copy it because I want to save my time, and I change the value from d6, and I k0, d7, put value 0, and again d0, and this is d7, sorry, d8. Okay, now compile this program, and I also minimize it because you can see. Okay, now I will simulate this program and run the PLC, and you can see that this time our d0 has 100 value, d1 has 1000 value, and d2 has k10. Okay, but this moment our d6 has k0, d7 has k0, and d8 has k0. But when I run this command, all this data register, all this block will move in this block. Okay, this time d6 has k0, but when I click here set on, no, it had k1, k100. d0 is shipped on d6, d1 is shipped on d7, and d2 is shipped in d8. Okay, you can see here, this is the main work of B block. It's move this block to this block. Okay, now I take our other example. I will change F file and click OK, and again compile the program and simulate it. Okay, and run the PLC. That time our D01 has K100, 100, D1 has 1000, and D2 has K10. Okay, when I run this F block, then all D0 value will shift D6, D7, D8 as I described in my lecture. All D0 value will shift in these blocks. Okay, this data register. So I apply, I set on, and you can see D0 has K100 value. So all this block of data register D6, D7, D8 has K100 value. Okay, this is our F move. Now our last is inverse. So delete all this and again zoom the program. Take any K0, X1 and any output Y0. Now I will take inverse, simple, write I and V inverse. Okay, this is the vertical line in 45 angle. Okay, now compile it and we will simulate this one and run the PLC. Sorry, you can see before this inverse logic is 0, but it converts 0 to 1 on the your output. If I set in again, before this inverse is 0 but output or inverse is 1, but when I set this one, this time inverse has input 1 but it giving output Y0. Okay, simple inversing the logic input and to output. Okay, if you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise the question in comment box of this video. Okay, bye.